In this lesson, I will explain to you about dot format function, how it works in Python. So here I have written that which allows multiple substitutions and value formatting. What is the meaning of this? I will show you with the help of few examples, then it will be clear to you. So I have made two variables. One is grade, which is initialized by integer, and second is student underscore name, which is initialized by a string, that is Manahil. If I want to get the output by adding these two variables, so see here I am using comma. Student underscore name, system will pick Manahil here, and grade 7, this is my literal. When I will run it, you will see Manahil is in class 7. Same coding, everything is same, but instead of comma I have used the plus sign here. So when I will run it, what do you think, what should be the output? There is error, type error. So now what is the meaning of type error? See here, this is integer, this is a string. If we are using the plus sign, we cannot add a string and integer together. So what we have to do, we have to convert this integer into a string. So how I will do it, here I have written for you student underscore name, then plus, we are still using plus, but this integer grade, besides this in front of the parenthesis, I have to write down a string only str. When I will run it, you will see the output is there, Manahil is in class 7. Right, one more thing, see after this comma I have a space. If I will not give this a space here and I will run it, so you will see there is no space between Manahil and is. If we are using the plus sign, then you have to give one space after comma, and if you are using comma instead of this plus sign, then there is no need for this space. I will show you here, we did here, system automatically gives some space here. Right, okay, this is all about just the revision, but here we are going to use the dot format function. Same thing, this is one variable, this is second variable Rahul. Now I want to add or join these two variable by using the dot format. So print, if suppose you want to add two variables, if we have three or four or five, you can do the same thing. This is your homework, make more variables and then you can add it. Here I have two, and that is why I have made one curly braces here, one curly braces here, and then after this dot format, and in parentheses you have to write down the variable's name. So it, the dot format function helps whatever you will write down in sequence in the parentheses. The first parenthesis will pick a student name and then grade. If you want to put grade here, then you have to switch the position in this parenthesis, because it will follow whatever we are writing in parenthesis, the sequence. When I will run it, it will be more clear. See, student name is first, so in first parenthesis is Rahul, second is grade, and 7. One more example I have made for you. Here I have made four variables, student name, banana, orange, apple. So print student underscore name. Instead of making a curly braces, I said student underscore name, so system will pick this Robert here, and then eats, this is my literal, and 1 2 3 3 curly braces. It is not necessary that always you have to make three. If you have a three variable here, if you want, you can make two variable or one, it's up to you, but I will show you three. All eats this, but what is your sequence, what should come here, here, you have to mention in this. After dot format, in the parenthesis, I said apple should come first and then orange and then banana. So apple, orange, apple is 1, orange 2 and 3. When I will run it, you will see Robert eats 1 2 and 3 servings of fruit daily. If you want to change this sequence, you said no, banana should be here, so we will write down banana here, and at the end is the apple, because whatever sequence we will provide in this parenthesis using the dot format function, it will automatically come in this parenthesis. So when I will run it, now you will see 3 2 and 1, because banana is first and then orange and then apple. So this is all about the dot format function in Python. I hope it is clear. Please practice it. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.